Model, 2016 Ford Transit Connect 240 Limited. Great specs, spares or repairs easy fix. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 201637. MOT, the 30th of November 2025. Engine, 1560 cc 1.6 TDCI 115 PSC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The oil cooler is leaking into the coolant and will need replacing or repairing. Nice easy job for someone. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors, electric windows, cruise control, aircon. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.